Hey guys, it's Beth and welcome. It is shortly after Thanksgiving, so I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving, got to enjoy some time off and some extra time with family and friends. And for those of you that are working in retail, God bless you. Wishing you strength and energy to get through the holiday season. Today is my project share for the stickier side of crafting, and I didn't use up a whole lot. It's been a crazy month, but I did finish off these puffy stickers from A Lumberjack Christmas from Echo Park. So if you've seen my last two videos, they focused on nail file holders that I made using two pads from Echo Park. One was a Lumberjack Christmas and one was Gingerbread Christmas. And I just used both pads to kind of make some craft show goodies, and I used these stickers on the nail file holders. And so I will link my tutorial. I did do a tutorial on how I make these. I will link that for you all in the description box below if you haven't seen it yet. But so I did finish off this pack, and basically all I did was added them as some simple decoration on the front of the nail file holder boxes. There's not a whole lot of room to do anything on the front, especially without covering up some of that fun paper. So basically I just layered some up. You know, I either punched circles or tags or used the tear strip from the pad. Here's one. This is just one of the tear strips from the top of the pad that I layered behind it. And then sometimes if I thought it would stand out enough, I just put them directly onto the little box. So I've got a whole bunch of these ready to go. I just need to finish adding my nail files into them and package them up. So that used up this whole pack. I used it. And then I did have a few left that I finished off on. These were tags that I had shared in my Smash That Small Paper Pad collab, my last video. And they are little tags that I cut from my silhouette, but they have kind of a flat bottom, and you can stick like a Ghirardelli square. I don't have any squares left right now. I need to get some more, but you can stick a Ghirardelli chocolate in there, and then you just close it up with some twine, and then you can use it as a gift tag on a present. So I thought I would do like a little to from on the back side, and then they've got the little decorations on the front side. So I did two of those. I used the bigger, puffier stickers that wouldn't fit really well on my nail file holders. And then there was one left that I used on my little Andes Mint boxes. And I bought these Andes Mints not paying attention that they're not like the normal, like flat wrapped ones. They're a little bit wider, and then they have a different packaging. So they don't fit in here as well as what the normal little green ones would. But I did share this in my Smash That Small Pad video as well. But I just added the little Merry Christmas sentiment at the top part of that on the flap. So I just need to add a closure, and that one is done. So not a whole lot for you guys this month, but I did, with the projects that I made, I've pretty much finished off 2 6x6 pads and then a coordinating package of puffy stickers. And I have a bunch of stuff ready to go for our final craft show coming up on December 4th. So hope you guys got some inspiration from this, and if you need more inspiration, please check out all the participants that will be linked in the description box below and see how they use their stickers. Again, I hope everyone is able to enjoy this holiday season. Thank you guys so very much for your time, and I hope you all have a very crafty day.